Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to top up ShopeePay using your GCash. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open your Shopee application on your mobile device. And then after that, you just have to log in. So once you're here, you just have to tap on the Me option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, so this one. After that, right here under the My Wallet, you have the ShopeePay. So just tap on this one. That's right. And then right here, you just have to tap on the cash in option. You can also select the request if you want to. So you can use your QR code and then scan it using your GCash account. So for this one, I'm just going to tap on the cash in and then look for the InstaPay. So here you can cash in from other e-wallet or bank app or website. So when you tap on this one, you have here the GCash option. So just simply select this one and then confirm your action. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and then make sure that you have your GCash PIN number. So you have to log into your GCash app and then click the transfer option. You just have to click the view all and select the Shopee Pay and then enter the amount to transfer, your account name, and then you have to enter the recipient Shopee Pay registered phone number as the account number following the format, and then click on send money to complete the process. So all you have to do is to tap on the open the application, which is the GCash application, and then you just have to follow these instructions. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.